Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need admin rights, so sign in as an administrator now. Once you've opened Start and search for Create a Restore Point, the System Properties window appears. Go straight to the System Protection tab. You'll see available drives. Select the system drive, usually C. Click Configure and enable Turn on System Protection so Windows can store restore points. Make sure to set a reasonable max usage. Too low and points are purged. Too high wastes disk space. Now configure how much disk space System Protection may use. I recommend around 5 to 10% so you keep multiple points without filling the drive. Once configured, click Create to make an immediate restore point. Type a clear name like before driver update so you recognize it later. Wait while Windows builds the point. This can take a minute. When it confirms success, note the timestamp and name. You've now got a reliable rollback snapshot ready. If something goes, when you need to revert, open System Properties, go to System Protection, and choose System Restore. Pick the restore point you created and follow the prompts. The system will restart and apply changes. Make sure to save work beforehand. After reboot, verify that the issue is resolved and check key apps. If the restore fails or is incomplete, try again from safe mode or temporarily disable third-party antivirus before retrying. Those often block restore operations. That troubleshooting step usually fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.